discussed what is cell, how the cell is the basic unit of life. Next, what is the difference between plant cell and animal cell? Next, what are eukaryotic, what are prokaryotic, and what is the structure of cell organelles like this. Okay, all those things we are discussed in previous classes. Today we are going to discuss about the internal cell organelles and their functions. Today we are going to discuss about cell organelles and their functions. First of all, here we have to make a table. Cell organelle and functions. Okay. First, from outer to inner, we have to discuss. Here, what is this? This outermost layer. This is the outer structure of plant cell diagram. Yes. Here, the outermost layer is what is this? This one, cell wall. What is this? Cell wall. Cell wall. This cell wall, it is only present in plant cell. It is absent in animal cell. That's why, what is the function of this cell wall? It gives the definite shape. Provide definite shape. Definite shape to plant cell. Why? Because it is present only in plant cell. Next, this cell wall, it is followed by the next, the innermost thin layer. This is called plasma membrane. Plasma membrane. What is the function of plasma membrane? This plasma membrane main function, it is select the ions. It is the select the ions which are required to cell that are allowed through it by the process of osmosis. That's why it is it acts as selectively permeable membrane. Selectively permeable membrane. Next, this cell wall, it is followed by the next one. What is this? This is vacuole. This vacuole, it is only present in a plant cell and absent in animal cell. Next, what is the function of a vacuole in a plant cell? It store food material and it maintain water balance. Store wastes and maintain water balance. H2O balance. This is the function of this vacuole. Next, the cell organelle. What is this? This pink color. The rod-shaped pink color structures, these are called mitochondria. Mitochondria. What is the main function? This mitochondria, it is present both in plant cell and animal cell also. And what is the function of this mitochondria? It participates in cellular respiration. Cellular respiration. It participates in cellular respiration. When it is participating in cellular respiration, energy is released. That energy is stored in mitochondria in the form of ATP. in the form of ATP, adenosine triphosphate. Adenosine triphosphate. Okay, that is the function of mitochondria. Next, this mitochondria is followed by the green colored cell organelle. This green colored cell organelle is called chloroplast. What is that? Chloroplast. What is its function? Chloroplast only present in plant cell. It is absent in animal cell. And what is its function? It perform photosynthesis and prepare food material. It perform photosynthesis and prepare food material. Okay? Perform photosynthesis and prepare food material by the process of photosynthesis. Okay? That's why this cell organelle chloroplast is also called kitchen of the cell. Why? It is preparing food material. That's why it is called kitchen of the cell. Next, this chloroplast again followed by the next cell organelle. This is this network like cell organelle. This is called endoplasmic reticulum. On this endoplasmic reticulum, the small granules are there. These granules are called ribosomes. The endoplasmic reticulum, which contain on the surface of the ribosomes, that endoplasmic reticulum is called rough endoplasmic. It is when we touch it, it is rough in nature. That's why it is called rough endoplasmic reticulum. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. What is its function? It is the site for protein synthesis. Next, here again here also endoplasmic reticulum is there, but it is there is no ribosomes on the surface. That's why it is smooth in nature. That's why it is called a smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Smooth endoplasmic reticulum. Its main function is lipid synthesis. Lipid synthesis. Next, this blue color. These are called Golgi complex. What are these? Golgi complex. This Golgi complex first time observed by the scientist Camillo Golgi. Golgi complex. This Golgi complex main function is it is during cell division. During cell division, what will happen? This Golgi complex, they release some chemical fibers. That chemical fibers are, it leads to formation of the cell plate inside the cell. That's why it is participating formation of cell plate. Next, lysosomes. Here, in some cell organelles, lysosomes are also present. What are these? Lysosomes. Lysosomes main function, they are participate in photorespiration. Next, the another cell organelle. What is this? This is the cell organelle which is present in the middle of the cell and round ball shaped dark colored structure. This is called nucleus. Nucleus. Here, this nucleus main function is it control the remaining all the cell organelles function. It control all the cell organelle functions. That's why it is also called a master controller of the cell, and also called a brain of the cell. Brain of the cell. It has mainly two functions. One is controls cell organelles function. Second one, here it consists of the thread-like structures. These thread-like structures are called genetic material. What is this? Genetic material. Due to the presence of genetic material, it is also participate in heredity. Heredity. These are the functions of cell organelles. Cell wall. It provide definite shape to the plant cell. Plasma membrane. It acts selectively permeable membrane. Vacuole. It stores wastes and maintain water balance. Next, mitochondria. It participates in cellular respiration and generate energy. Next, chloroplast. This one. It perform photosynthesis and prepare food material. Rough endoplasmic reticulum. This one. It is the site for protein synthesis. Next, this smooth endoplasmic reticulum. It is the site for lipid synthesis. Next, Golgi complex. It is the site for formation of the cell plate during cell division. Like this. Next, lysosomes. Lysosomes are present both in plant cell and animal cell, and it is participate in photorespiration. Next, this nucleus. This nucleus, it controls the remaining cell organelle functions, and due to the presence of this genetic material, it is also participating heredity. I hope understood for you. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, ask me.